back to my channel. So today I'm out in my garden as you can see, but I gave this video a voiceover because there was too much noise outside. So I hope that's not a problem. So this video is all about propagating a Dieffenbachia plant or a Dumpkin plant. This is a beautiful Dieffenbachia plant here. So this plant has a story which I will tell you at the end of my video. Please watch the full video. So this plant is growing in my garden soil for a long time now, but I want this to grow in a pot because I think the growth has stopped in the garden. I don't know why. So I thought, why not give it a boost and just put it in a pot. So I will just propagate roots in the new plant. As you can see, it has roots already here, but I want this to be growing in a pot. So I will show you how I will just propagate it in a pot. We need to cut our stems. So see, I have cut the stem from a point there. So I did not show you the cutting. There were too many mosquitoes and I was really being harassed, so I'm sorry I did not record the cutting.
So as you can see, it has rained a bit, so I just was not able to shoot the full video outside, so I came inside. This is my Dieffenbachia plant. So as you can see, this already has a new leaf coming out. So see, I have cut it from a node. These things are nodes. See, I will really avoid to touch this part because this has the plant sap, which can be a bit dangerous. This plant is a bit toxic, so please avoid touching that, or else while handling you can just wear a glove, so it will be easier for you to handle. So this is the beautiful plant and I have my soil there. Now I will show you how this beautiful plant I will propagate in the soil. So these are the parts from where there will be propagation. I will show you a part of this by propagating it in water also. So we need to cut it out. From where are we cutting? We need to cut it out from any of these nodes. So we need to cut them from the node. In between the node we need to cut them. So that's one out. So this is one of our cutting and this will also grow up into another plant. So what are we going to do with this? We are just simply going to plant this in the soil. Garden soil is just 30% and 40% of compost, that is vermicompost, I have used in the soil, and the other 30% coco peat. So that's the full ratio. So that is a very good mixture to grow any plant as such. So now I will show you how I will plant this. Just dig a hole in between and we are going to put our Dieffenbachia plant in between and just cover it up. So that's it. Our Dieffenbachia plant is already in the soil, so this will grow into a beautiful plant. So after planting it, just water it a bit. That's it. So this will grow into a beautiful plant.
This Dieffenbachia plant is grown from another cutting in a similar way. It was growing in my garden in the same way as I had shown you, and I had taken the cutting and put it in the pot, and see how beautifully leaves have come out. It has also roots. That's the spot from where I had taken the cutting and see new growth has already started. This is the stem from where we took the cutting today, so I will show you the update in a few days and show you the new stem that will come out.
So this is another method of propagation of roots in a Dieffenbachia plant. So we can just put this cutting in water and the cutting will eventually develop roots, and some may even develop the shoot. So I will just place it in water like this. So we need to keep this in water for a couple of months maybe, or maybe 1 month. So after a month I will be showing you how much root this cutting has developed, or any shoot if it has developed any shoot. So where are we going to put this bowl? We can obviously put it in a place where there is no direct sunlight. Direct sunlight is not needed. You can just put it anywhere where there is indirect light. Guys, it was such an easy process to propagate a Dieffenbachia plant or a Dumpkin plant. So I will talk about all the plant care, watering and soil and everything and its toxicity, everything in another video, because let's not make this video a very long one because that will be boring. So it's how easy it was. So you can grow many Dieffenbachia plants from one. I mentioned about a story in the beginning of the video. My story is about how I got my first Dieffenbachia plant. So I did not buy my first Dieffenbachia. You know, somebody has many Dieffenbachia plants at home. So that person had discarded the stems of the Dieffenbachia plant in a plot which is empty. It is just an abandoned plot in front of my place. So and I just took the stem. There was one leaf of Dieffenbachia, of course, otherwise I wouldn't have recognized it. So I took the plant from there and I planted it randomly in my garden. So I never thought that this plant would actually make it. But I did not even care for it much. It was just lying and no fertilizer added and nothing, no care at all. So that plant actually grew up and it multiplied, and it was very surprising for me. It was so healthy. I never thought that the plant will become so healthy without any fertilizer or any care as such. That's when I thought that maybe I should provide them a better place. Actually, the plant was lying in my garden for a year maybe. It is more than a year, I think. It is more than a year. I think the plant was lying in my garden. So then one fine morning I thought that I should give this plant a proper habitat. I should care for it. So I just took the cutting and started propagating the Dieffenbachia plant. I have one of them in one pot and the other one I just propagated today. So now I have 2 pots of Dieffenbachia, and I even have a stem cutting which is growing in the water, as I said, and I will show you that in maybe some other video. Now I have multiplied that one Dieffenbachia into I think 4 or 5, and the process is going on. So we'll be having so many Dieffenbachia plants, and they really make beautiful decor. You can just place them indoors. So that was my story, and I hope you found it interesting. So that's it, guys. So if you happen to have one Dieffenbachia at home, multiply them and grow many more Dumkane plants. I hope my video was helpful to you. If it was at all helpful, please like my video, and yes, please subscribe to my channel. There are other plant related videos, and hit the bell icon beside it to get the notifications. Please share the video with your friends and also comment below, because I really like to interact with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.